Do you enjoy emptying the contents of your vacuum cleaner dust bag all over your carpet? Well, I do, and to cope, there's the new Hoover Turbomaster with permanently attached tools. Let me show you how Turbomaster copes with this cleaning problem quickly and efficiently. Just watch this for superb cleaning performance for a superb cleaner. Turbomaster. As you can see, Turbomaster is more than a match for this dirt, coping with it quickly and efficiently. Power. Performance. That's what you get when you choose Turbomaster. But Hoover Turbomaster is important in another way. Permanently attached tools make Turbomaster unbeatable for all your home cleaning. Just lift off the hose, pop on the extension tube, and select one of the nozzles from the rear of the machine. It's as easy as that. Now see how Turbomaster copes with dirt on all surfaces in your home, quickly and efficiently. Power and performance. That's Turbomaster. The most powerful domestic upright cleaner you can buy at a price you won't believe. The new Hoover Turbomaster. A lot of techno with a bit of logic.